Hello traders, and welcome to the short video analysis of Ethereum to the US dollar. We are going to start this analysis on the daily time frame, where we can see the beginning of the downtrend that started at the level of 805. Then the technical support at the level of 420 has held the bears from pushing the price even lower, and then after a few days we have the first breakout higher above this descending trend line. Right now the price is consolidating in a very tight area between the levels of 522 and 538, with a local high at the level of 554, and the down support area is located between the levels of 427 and 406. The market can break out in either direction. It can break out to the upside, it can break down. So the next level in a case of a downside breakout is located at 365, and this is quite important technical support. On the other hand, in a case of a further breakout higher above 555, the next target for bulls is projected at the level of 619. The other one is projected at the level of 650. Thank you very much for watching this short video, and happy trading. Bye bye.